Okay, so that's pretty good. Now it's just a matter of adding little things here and there. So I make a single audio track, and then I just go grab some samples. And this is where you can just grab little Foley sounds if you want. Effects elements. I mean, the riser is the main thing you kind of want to construct from scratch. It kind of has a tonal aspect to it, so you want to make sure it blends in with the rest of your melody and it doesn't sound like it's standing out, like it's meant to go there. And as far as everything else, let's see if we can find some random little sounds. That one's kind of cool, actually. I like that. 138. We're making sure that we see the tempo is already 138, so we're going to change it to 138 so it automatically adjusts to our tempo. We can use this as the effect for the second part right here. Try layering it. Let's try go ahead and to layer it in with this impact. It's a little bit too much. Let's put it in the intro. When you find something that works for this section, it's good to see how it works with every other section too. Oop, didn't want to do that. Try putting an impact right here. To actually best of both worlds, we'll get the little reverse sweep up and then with the impact of this guy right here. If I was making dubstep, these would be perfect, but I am not. But yeah, you want like little things going in the background. In fact, let's try doing a little pan animation. So we can go like, say, up here, down here, and then finally finish back at center. Now, if you had headphones on, you could hear this really easily. You can see how it travels from left to right on in your ear. You know, it's really more of a fun effect when you can hear it kind of interacting with your ears as far as traveling back and forth between the two. And then we can add one final little impact here. Now let's try the other one. Just like the final period in a sentence. There you go. See, it adds like a nice little, the song's done. There's no more coming.